Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Open Chrome on your PC and confirm it's updated. Make sure Google Home or the Casting Sender app is installed on your phone. On the PC, enable network discovery and allow Chrome through the firewall so the cast traffic is permitted. Once done, restart Chrome and the phone's Wi-Fi briefly to refresh device lists before moving to the next step. Now you initiate the cast from the phone, open Google Home or a casting-capable app and tap the cast icon. Select your PC as the target device. Pick whether to cast the whole screen or only a specific app or tab. Make sure Chrome on the PC accepts the incoming request. Click Allow if prompted. If there are quality options, select a balanced resolution to prevent lag. Once connected, monitor audio routing and close unnecessary apps to keep bandwidth free. To finish, stop casting from the phone's cast control or use Chrome's menu on the PC to end the session. If the PC never appeared, reboot the router, phone, and PC, then confirm both devices rejoin the same Wi-Fi network. This fixes most discovery failures. If video stutters, lower the stream resolution, move devices nearer to the router, or connect the PC via Ethernet for a stable link. One key tip: temporarily disable VPNs on either device. They commonly block local casting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.